Okay, hello YouTube. This is my first video in making, I've always enjoyed the McDonald's Junior Burger with bacon, ketchup, and onion. And I found that I can make it myself. My brother has this Black Rivers Angus steak spice. He hates it. It comes in this package of steaks that he gets. In any case, I use it for making hamburgers. There is my hamburger, medium priced. This is 2025, and yes, I did get it at that price. That's a pound of regular hamburger. I took this steak spice here, dropped some down here. I 3D printed some Olympic rings. And now what I'll do is I got a scale here. I'll turn it on. I need to get I can just use this. Let's use this. I am making chili as we speak on the stove. So now, what I am told, and it seems to be true. Okay, so this is the package that my chili had its hamburger in. I use the wrapper here to protect my scale, which currently reads 0. We want to make 10 burgers off of a pound, so that will be 45 grams a burger. And what I'm told to do, what seems to work really well, is, okay, so now we're at 45, is to not form this into a ball. Take and plop it right there into one of the rings. Now, I will go through this whole thing, plop them all there, move the rings over, do another. And then what I'll do, I've got a can over here. Sorry, I'm showing you my sink as I open up this door here. I got a can over here. You would take this wrapper for the meat, put it on top of there, can like that, press it in, and now you have your burger, which you can put some steak spice on top of there. Now, once this is all said and done and filled up, you put this in the freezer. And the reason you're not forming it into balls is, I am told on the internet that makes your burgers tougher. And to have them not quite as tough, this is what McDonald's is doing. They're not forming them into balls, they just simply press them. They take them from ground like that, put them in a ring, press them. Of course, they're using a machine. Anyways, that is what I'm doing. And this burger, because this is $2.73, when this thing gets done, it will be a 27-cent burger. Okay, that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching.